Partner dance embodies the coming together of two people. Two unique individuals who bring with them their own experiences, worldviews, beliefs, and perspectives. There isn't room for one dancer, not for any moment, to think that they know better than the other, or that they should take control or act in their own self-interest. In this way, dance becomes a beautiful expression of unity and celebrating diversity through collaboration. Life is like dance. Each of us brings our own experiences, beliefs, views, and cultures. Rather than let our differences collide, we must embrace our diversity and be united in a collective vision. We should consider ourselves like dancers on the stage of life. We all have an active and meaningful part to play in the grandest production of all, the building of our collective future.